11 11. God says you don't need to worry about the next step in your life. All you need to do is put your trust in me and work hard. I will place the right people along your path. I have watched over you and will always watch over you. Type God if you believe. 8888. This is your sign that everything is going to turn out better than you can even imagine. Continue to think and feel what you want and be ready for it to manifest when you least expect. It's time. Type 8888 to receive. 7777. God is about to burn every bridge in your life that could lead back to destruction. Your steps forward will become crystal clear to you. Type 7777 if you believe, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111.